Number 47, for you snowboarders out there. Snowboarders can rotate the shoe bindings on their snowboards. The binding setup shown below is written positive 24, so positive moves in the counterclockwise direction. Negative 18. Negative 18 means from vertical, or straight up and down, it moves clockwise 18 degrees. An instructor suggests a binding setup of positive 30, positive 15 for beginners. Your setup is initially positive 24, negative 4. Find the changes in angle measures needed to match the instructor's suggestion. Keyword here, change. And change is defined by taking new value minus the old value. Now the new value that we want to end up at is the suggested, let's take the left binding, for example. We want to end up at 30. That's our new binding, 30 degrees, minus the old setup. Initially it's at 24 degrees. 30 minus 24 gives us a change of 6 degrees. For the right binding, the new setup that we want to end up at is plus 15. So we'll take new minus the old. It's our initially set up at negative 4. Anytime we see minus negative, we're going to chop, chop. So 15 plus 4 gives us that we need to change it 19 degrees. Part B says a mirror setup is a setup of positive n, negative n. So basically our feet are going to be rotated the same amount but in opposite directions. N is between 0 and 90. Your setup is initially plus 13, negative 6. You change the front angle measured by negative 3. So we're going to take this 13 and we're going to change that. We're going to subtract 3 from it, so it ends up at a positive 10 degrees. How do we have to change the rear angle in order to mirror this setup? So a mirror setup would make this to negative 10 degrees. Well, how do we go from negative 6 to negative 10? We'd have to subtract 4 degrees. So we'd have to change the back angle measured by negative 4 degrees in order to create that mirror setup.